Mubango mweru wa kurehe NBA gitaru-ini kia Africa ni wamukiritwo ni anyiti itemi na njira citiganite, kuona uyu ni muthako wa gikiro kia iguru muno. Ciuria nyingi gukiri uguo ni ciumiritie kana ruhonge rwa mubira wa ikabu guku bururi-ini KBF ni rwihariirie kuona ati ona gutire irabu cia guku Kenya cinyitaga itemi thiini wa mbitika cia gitaru kia Africa.
Our office puts their house in order, work with an intention of developing the game, then we are going to see the results of the NBA project.
Thengia wa kwaga timu cia kirathi kia iguru, Kenya ndiri na iharo cia kuigana, kuona Kasarani na Nyayo no cio cikinyanĩire ikiro, undu uria ucungagĩrĩria mbitika cia guku bururi-ini guthakirwo iharo cia nja.
If you don't train in a standard venue or facility, when you go out, before you adjust, you are already having a challenge. And that is where players normally have a problem, which as coaches we can't do much about it. We need standard courts, whereby we are also using shot clocks. We rarely use shot clocks in our games. We only end up using shot clocks when we go out of the country.
Gukiri uguo muikariri giti wa kiama kia mubira wa ikabu guku bururi-ini Thutha ni ateteire federation ya kiuga wona NBA moka Africa, Kenya ni kahota kuruta timu cia gikiro kia iguru.
Ready. In fact, it's good news to Africa. It's good news to Kenya. The infrastructure is, I would say, is there because the Kasarani Gymnasium is to international standards. Most of our clubs in this country are also at transition level. Quite a number of our players get into clubs so that they get the exposure, so that they meet scouts who also hook them to go to other bigger clubs outside the country.
Kenya ni umwe wa mabũrũri marĩa macaguritwo ni NBA kuruta timu igĩrĩ harĩ timu 12 kuma mabũrũri matiganĩte gĩtarũ kia Africa. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV haro-inĩ njĩtagwo Kuria wa Gichimu.